Ever had your furnace break down right in the middle of a freezing Ontario night? You're not alone. Regular furnace maintenance isn't just nice to have. It's your first line of defense against unexpected failures, high energy bills, and safety risks. First, because it prevents costly breakdowns. Most furnace failures happen on the coldest days when your system is pushed to the limit. A pre-season tune-up helps catch small issues before they turn into emergencies. Secondly, you save on energy bills. Dirt buildup and poor combustion reduce efficiency. A clean and calibrated furnace uses less fuel to produce the same amount of heat. Third, it extends the equipment life. Routine inspection and lubrication reduce wear and tear. Furnaces maintained yearly can last up to 20 years. First half of that if neglected. Fourthly, it keeps your family safe. Inspecting for gas leaks, cracked heat exchangers, or carbon monoxide, silent hazards that tune-ups can help prevent. Fifth, it protects your warranty. Skipping annual maintenance could void your warranty coverage. Proper documentation ensures you stay eligible for warranty repairs when they happen. So what's included in a professional furnace tune-up? At Affordable Comfort, our standard furnace maintenance includes a full inspection of the heat exchanger, burners, and blower motor, cleaning and lubrication of all moving parts, checking gas pressures and the thermostat calibration, and testing for carbon monoxide and proper airflow. Book your maintenance in early fall to ensure your furnace is fully ready for winter's demands. Miss fall? Don't worry, it's never too late to get back on track. Don't wait for a cold night emergency. Prevent it. Schedule your annual furnace maintenance with Affordable Comfort today and enjoy lower bills, increased safety, and peace of mind all winter long.